But did it take much convincing for them to appear with you in a sitcom this time around?
Ano ba ang sagot dito? Kasi alam mo masyadong, Leia, masyadong normal na usapan sa bahay talaga. Na minsan magugulat ka na nangyayari na. Kasi minsan, kasi parang kayo magkakasama talaga. Like sa kwarto, like now, especially now, like nag-respect up golf na rin. So, yun, alam na kami siya sa place golf also. Pag nasa dagat kami, nasa bahay, nasa kwarto sila. Pag nag-gym kami, sabay-sabay kami sa gym namin, nag-workout kami, gano'n. So, parang ang kwentuhan is casual lang. Na mamaya konti, marirealize mo after nagtitaping na sila. Parang gano'n. Parang ang usapan, hanggang mamaya konti, magtitaping na tayo. Parang gano'n. Parang, kaya hindi pala yun. Yung press ko lang yata siya, yung launch niya. Parang, may launch na siya. Ay, bahala sa kanya na yan. Parang gano'n.
Pero may ka ba?
Kaya ako yun ang reaction ko is bahala na yan, kaya na yan. Kasi kinakabahan ko talaga eh. Si Shirley pinapanood talaga, babatayin niya yan. Oo. Binabatayin niya ako, hindi talaga. Ayoko. Parang nasa-stress ako. Bigla makikibalita na lang. Okay na talaga. Okay. Ganun lang. So
Didn't take much convincing for them.
No, it was one talk lang, one time talk. At up to now naman nangyayari na yun, usap na yun na sinasabi ko ito na yung ginusto ninyo, nangyayari na. So don't take it for granted. Minsan kasi ang industriya natin masyadong mabilis. Hindi mo alam nandun ka na. Hindi mo alam nagiging popular ka na. And then, minsan mamaya may mga taong biglang after all, tinataman. May sumpong, may gano'n. Yun ang sinasabi ako sila na babantayan niyo parati yan. Kasi andyan na yan. Gusto niyo yan. Ngayon, nagkakaroon kayo ng pangalan. Alagaan niyo na yan. Don't take that for granted. Kahit napasalabuha kayo ng mga nakakain sa trabaho, may mga ganyan. Dumating kayo, maging maayos kayo. Enjoy mo matrati yung trabaho. Yun lang ang natrati kong paalala. Parang gano'n na. Tsaka huwag yung masyadong seryoso na. Meaning, seryoso na yung nangyayari sa mundo natin. Tama nyo, masaya lang.
We hear from the mom.
So going back to your question, if it took much convincing, I don't think so. Kasi by saying yes, syempre nandun yung nervous kasi, oh my gosh, paano natin gagawin ito? But it's a once in a lifetime opportunity that agad I can look back at and say na parang nakasama namin yung mga anak namin. And it wasn't hard to do, but although nandun din yung nervous. But I'm happy na after ilang taping days and episodes na ginawa na namin, happy ako. And of course, we have an extended family because of our wonderful cast.
A decade ago, did it ever occur to you that you would do a sitcom together?
No!
Exactly.
Even just 2 years ago, not even that far back, I never thought, and to be able to work with Direk Danny again, and of course, Randy Reyes, Kuya Dick, Bayani, first time tayo makakasama, si Sam, Tita Sets, Hart, and Kedibon, and of course, si Chad Kinis, who's not here. I never thought that I would be able to do this, but really, the feeling of going to taping every day is the feeling of blessed and happiness talaga. And you can see na bawat artista talagang everyone's just happy to be there and be part of this family. So, nakakatawa. And we're so happy to be able to share the laughter and happiness din sa mga kababayan.
How many episodes have you taped already? Finish na yung first season.
Nag-tape kami 5. 4 to 5 episodes. 5.
Kasi may 6 tayo eh.
May I ask that?
Yes, please.
Anyway, how did you exactly feel, or did you imagine, like what I asked your mom, did you imagine this happening, like all of you appearing in a sitcom together?
Never talaga. We never really expected it. Bigla lang when the offer came and syempre we talked about it and it sounded exciting. It sounded very fun. So we said, why not? Diba? But if you asked us last year or 2 years ago, we were to expect it. Hindi talaga po. Bigla lang talaga.
Yeah, we never saw it coming. But when it came, of course, just like Andres said, of course, we're super excited kasi we always spend so much time together. And like I've always been saying, we've been method acting our whole lives. You guys are our actual parents, you're my actual brother, and what more to be even having a beautiful cast filled with legends and such great people. It was all so when it first came, of course, game to game, it's such a great opportunity and there's so much to learn and it's such a great life experience even look back at in let's say a decade's time.
Thank you. And last question. Had it not been with your parents, would you have said yes to doing a sitcom?
Para sa akin, yes, kasi I need to work na lang kung magtrabaho. So,
Tama naman.
pero, all the more,
You need to earn
Honest.
all the more, I'm really, very happy na.
Kailangan mo trabaho kasi wala kung anong months yun, wala siyang pambili.
Yes,
Yes.
Asha.
For the same answers, just yes, kailangan din magtrabaho. Kasi we just finished college. So parang when now college is done, start working and of course, see where it goes.
Yeah.
Syempre,
I've always instilled in them the value of hard work. So that's something that they know na kailangan nilang gawin. And of course, create their own journey as time goes by.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
More episodes.
Actually, I'd like to ask a follow-up question to yours. No? How did the offer present itself to you? Like, for example, for Henry Cavill, he was playing World of Warcraft. Na-miss niya yung call ng director na siya pa rin na-cast, di ba? For you guys, did it come in a text? Was it a family meeting? What was it like when this offer was first presented? Sa kids, sa kids.
When it was first presented, kasi I remember what I was doing. I was working out with my dad, my mom. Tapos bigla may tumawag. And then, yan na. They told us about the details and everything, and then we thought about it for a couple of days, and then we spoke. But super brief lang.
Sino yung tumawag? Yung dad mo din? Kasi siya yung tumawag sa... Joke lang.
tama naman. Tama naman. Actually don't really remember as to how, because it was such a normal conversation and just like as he said, bigla the next day we're taping. Yeah.
If I may add, siguro ganyan din ang sagot nila because hindi itong The First Family, hindi ito dumaan sa normal process. Parang it worked its way backwards, di ba? Nagsimula siya sa isang idea, nag-usap si Randy, nag-usap si Bayani, and they started making calls, and then yun na nga, lumabas na nga yung The First Family, which Bayani thought about. And then, dun parang nabuo yung idea. And then from there, they started thinking, oh, who can we add into this group? And then biglang, si Kuya Dick, tumawag na as Kuya Dick mentioned, di ba? Tumawag kami kay Kuya Dick, sabi ni Harry, hindi ka pwede wala dyan. So, it was a different process. And then, it was a whole story before na dumating sa mga production level. So, it's a passion project na it's not a normal process na dumadaan sa producer. Nagsimula ito sa isang creative idea, doon na po yan.